Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening another box of Shadowverse Evolve Advent of Genesis. I found some new ones. Price is still outrageous and this is also the second printing, as you can see on the little corner here. So without further ado, let's open it. Let's see what we can get. If it wants to get opened. It does. Alright. So without further ado, let's see what we can get in those meager 60 packs. A Snake Priestess. We have a Evolved Ancient Elf, an Evolved Ancient Elf. In the foil treating actually. Nice. Dark Summoner, a Dimension Shift. And a Evolved Mind You. And a Fairy Sword. Right. I would say we skip the tokens for now, as those are not really that impressive, unless of course we happen to see a leader. So starting off with a Goblin, an Angelic Barrage, an Elf Metallurgist, Death's Breath, Dark Offering, a Genesis Dragon, very strong finisher, 10-12 for stone, and a Evolved Bellringer Angel, that's a nice one, and a Viking. On to the next pack we go, where we start off with a Fairy Cycle. A Navy Lieutenant, a Wind Blast, Conflagration, Phantom Howl, and an Ancient Alchemist, as well as a Evolved Shapeshifting Mage. And a Light Token. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we can get here. A Ferret Soldier, Runic Guardian, Teachings of Creation, Cleric Lancer, Harnessed Flame, a Silver Bolt, and an Evolved Crafty Warlock. And at the last slot there we have an Otohime's Guard, Bodyguard token. Starting off with Dragon Wings in the next pack, a Wardrobe Raider, a Foil Elf Giant May, with a nice foiling, a Spectral Wizard, a Fairy Beast, and a Bellringer Angel. Ding dong is all I say to that. An Elven Princess Mage and Evolved, and some golden token. On to the next pack we go, with a Woodland Refuge, a Forge Weaponry, a Fiery Embrace, a Moon Al Mirage, very nice, very cool. Then we have a Execution, a Robin Hood, and a Evolved Merlin, very nice, and a token. Not still looking for the Merlins, so if those might want to come along, I wouldn't mind. On to the next pack we go, starting with a Curate, Goliath, Okami, Swordsman, a Golem Protection, a Sacred Plea, and an Evolved Goblin. And me, from Shadowverse. On to the next pack we go, starting with a Luminous Knight, a Crafty Warlock, Ivory Dragon, and Lucifer. Very cool. That's my third one actually. Place it complete. An Imprisoned Dragon, Mordecai the Duelist, and an Evolved Righteous Devil. On to the next pack we go. Starting with an Angelic Sword Maiden, Mana Elk, a Veteran Lancer, Harnessed Glass, Wyvern Cavalier, Ayala the Dragon Knight, a Evolved Wardrobe Raider, and a Fairy Token. So let me count the remaining ones. Okay, halftime -1/1. Accidentally took one from the pile earlier. So 7 more packs to go. Starting with a Dragon Emissary, a Undead King, Hollowed Dogma, Dark General, Shrine Knight Maiden, and a Shadowed Assassin here, with a Shendong and a Secret Knight. Penguin in this regular form be limited to 1. Starting off on the next pack with a Lightning Shooter, a Fire Lizard, a Skeleton Fighter, and also the third one is Cerberus, the third one that I opened. A Noble Fairy, a Gilgamesh, and a Evolved Cerberus actually. Very cool. In the same pack. That's useful. Because it could be great if everything came with its evolved form, but I guess just not doable because you have regular cards which can evolve as well. Cruel Priestess, Death Sentence, and Angelic Snipe, which only attacks followers and deals 2 damage now. Hell's Unleasher, Nature's Guidance, and Medusa, as well as I evolved Goliath and Coco. So we have all the Cerberus cards now. And 1 pack, everything you need. Continuing on with a Woodkin Curse, a Novice Trooper, a Sorcery Cache, and a Sea Queen Otohime. Lovely. A Ninja Master, and an Erd, and an Evolved Ivy Dragon, and a Thornburst. 3 packs left to go. Let's see what we get from those. Starting off with a Mist Dragon, a Spectre, a Sister Initiate, Fate's Hand, Serpent Wrath, and Alvida's Command. And an Evolved Mage Leader. That's also a cool one to have. And a Holy Falcon. If you don't have all the extras. On to the next pack. Starting with an Ace Dragoon, a Ambling Wraith, a Sage Commander in foil, a Blackened Scripture, Demonic Strike, and I already saw it, a Phemesis Decree, Prism Priestess in its evolved form, her evolved form I guess, and a Dragon. So, last pack. Cards to chase cards, well not technically cards, being the leaders, but let's see. We have a Razor Claw, a Guardian Sun, Healing Angel, a Pompous Princess, Alchemical Law, a Homecoming, and an Evolved Archer, as well as a Guard from Golem. So, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I will be seeing you at the next one.